Hello everyone. Today I will talk about how we can copy, paste, undo, and redo in Vim. So in Vim, if you want to copy something, you need to press a Y key. So for example, I want to copy the single character I here. I will press Y with L. It means that copy to the right, and it also means that copy a single character. So now if I want to pass this, I will use the key P. Okay. I mean this one P. P. Not okay. Let's P to pass, not P. Okay. So let's copy it again. I will copy the I here, Y and L. Okay. So if I want to pass after the current cursor, I will press P. And if you want to pass this before the current cursor, you will use the uppercase version. That's Shift P. Okay, so let's do it again. We have B to pass to after our current cursor, and we have a shift B, which is passed before the current cursor. Okay, so with the Y key, we can combine with a movement key. So we can copy a word, we can copy many words, we can copy the whole line. So let's I demonstrate it to you. If you want to copy this word, you will press Y and W. Okay, so I will jump into a new line and you will press P. Okay, it's here, a sentence here. So if I want to copy three words, that is my sentence. So I will press Y, 3, and W. So let's jump into a new line too and press P. Okay, so the same if you want to copy here from the end of line or beginning of line, you can combine with the zero or the dollar sign. And we have a shorthand for this. If you want to copy the whole line, you can press Y. It means that you press Y twice. Y. And this have a some special that when you copy whole line like this. Okay, so when you pass, you will see that it will pass to the below the current line. And if you shift P, it will pass above the current line. So that's the difference when you use YY. You use the shorthand. Okay, and in Vim we also have undo and redo. So let's say that I make a mistake here. I will copy. Okay, so now I make a mistake that I passed the wrong place. So if I want to undo, I need to press the key U. Okay, it will undo to the latest change. If you want to redo, you need to press Control and R. Control R will redo and U to undo. So again, Control R to redo and U to undo. Okay, so let's recap. We have a Y key. We have a Y key, and we can combine with a movement key, and we can copy a word, copy a whole line, copy the single characters, and also we have a YY. That's a shorthand that we can copy the whole line very quickly, and we have a P to pass after the current cursor, and we have a P uppercase which is pass before the cursor. But keep in mind that if you copy it with the YY, then when you use P, it will pass to the below of the current line, and with a P uppercase, it will pass above the current line. Okay, and we also have undo and redo. You need to press U key. And with the redo, you need to control and R. Okay, so that's it for today. Thank you for watching. If you think this video is good, if you learn something new with it, please like, share, and if you don't want to miss my latest video, please subscribe and click to the notify button. Thank you very much. Thank you for watching this video.